Okay, good morning students. Today we are going to start our computer class. Okay, I am your computer teacher. My name is Sharanya. Today we are going to start our computer lesson. I think all of you know, all of you get this computer textbook, right? So, today we are going to start our first chapter, which is computer, software and languages. Okay, do you know what is computer? All of you may know what is computer, and computer is an electronic device, right? Computer is an electronic device which used to storing and processing data, okay, which is used for storing and processing data. The computer is made up of two components. First one it is hardware and second one it is software. Okay, the first component of computer it is hardware. Do you know what is hardware? Hardware is the physical part of computer that we can touch. Okay, the second component it is software. Okay, do you know what is software? The set of instructions that we are giving to a computer for performing a particular task. Okay, I will repeat. The set of instructions that we are given to a computer to perform a particular task is called software. You know one thing, the hardware and software are complementary to each other because both should work together to perform a particular task. Okay, so a computer is made up of two components. First one it is hardware and second one it is software. Okay. Now, we are going to discuss about the generations of a computer language. Okay. Now, we are going to discuss about generations of computer languages. The computer language. Do you know what is language? In order to communicate to each other, we should know any one of the languages, right? We can use either English, Malayalam, Hindi, Tamil, Urdu, Arabic, any language we can use to communicate with each other. Like that, suppose we need to communicate with a computer, we should know a language which is called computer language. Okay, so the computer language is divided into 5 categories. First, we are going to discuss about the first language, that is low level language. In short, we can say LLL, low level language. Okay, this is the first language. The low level language, the computer can understand only binary language. Do you know what is binary language? Have you heard about binary language? The binary language is the combination of only zeros and ones. Okay, because the computer can understand only the binary language in the form of zeros and ones. The computer can understand only zeros and ones. Okay, whatever we are giving to a computer as an instruction, whatever we are giving to a computer, the computer will automatically convert it into this binary form. Okay, usually in the computer we are typing in English language, right? In Word, PowerPoint, whatever it is, we are typing in English language. But computer will automatically transfer into zeros and ones because the computer can understand only 0 and 1, that is binary language. Okay, the zeros and ones are called binary language. Okay, so this low level language is classified into 2. Low level language is classified into 2. First one it is machine language. Okay, first one it is machine language. This machine language is also known as first generation language. Okay, so the first generation language is the basic and lowest level of the computer language. Okay, the basic computer language it is machine language or first generation language. Okay, and the machine language is the first computer language. Okay, whenever someone asking you which is the first computer language, that is machine language, because the computer can understand only machine language. Like I told you, binary language is same as the machine language. Whatever we are giving to a computer, it will translate into binary language or machine language. Both are same in the form of zeros and ones. Okay? It is the only language that the computer can understand. Okay? The machine language is the only language that the computer can understand. Whatever we are typing in our own language, either English, Hindi, Malayalam, we can use some other languages in computer, no? Whatever we are using in computer, that will automatically translate into machine language or binary language with the help of some converters. The details of converters we can discuss in next class. Okay? So, the second low level language, it is assembly language. Okay? Second low level language, it is assembly language. The assembly language is also known as second generation language. Okay, assembly language is also known as second generation language. Assembly language is something similar to the machine language, but one difference is that some words or some terms we can use in the case of assembly languages. Okay, I told you that in the case of machine language we will use only zeros and ones, but in the case of assembly language we can use some terms or some words. Okay, suppose we need to add two numbers, we can use the term add. Suppose we need to subtract two numbers, we can use the term sub. Like that, some words we can use, and whatever we are written in assembly language, that will be translated into machine language with the help of a converter which is called assembler. Okay, to translate assembly language into machine language, we are using one converter, that is called assembler. I think you understood this one. So, the third one. So, first one was machine language, second one assembly language. Next one it is, what it is? Third generation language or high level language. Okay, third one it is high level language, or it is also known as third generation language. This high level language is something similar to what? Human languages like English something. Okay, so the low level languages, which means assembly language and machine languages, were what? It were computer specific languages, but there was a need to develop language that can be run on any type of computer. Some languages, we need to develop some languages. It should be run on any kind of, any platform of computer, it should be useful. That is high level language. Okay, the high level language is developed in the year of 1950s. Okay, so the first high level language developed in 1950. Okay, have a look at some examples of high level languages. Have you heard about C language? C, C++, C#, Fortran. Okay, Fortran, COBOL, BASIC. These are some examples of high level languages. Okay, first one it is C. The extended version of C is C++ and C#. Next one it is Fortran. Okay, it is formula translation, short form of formula translation. Next one it is COBOL, common business oriented language. Next one it is BASIC, beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. Okay, these are the different type of high level languages. Okay, so now we discussed the 3 generations of languages, and the 4th generation is 4G. You may familiar with this word, right? 4G, and 4G is also known as 4th generation language. Okay, 4G is also known as 4th generation language. The 4th generation language is developed for some complex type of programming softwares. Okay, some complex program language programs we can develop by using this 4G, fourth generation. Some examples of 4Gs are PLSQL. Okay, PLSQL, VB stands for Visual Basic. Okay, then FoxPro, after that Oracle. These are some examples of fourth generation programming languages. The last one, the fifth one, it is fifth generation language. Okay, fifth generation programming language. It is also known as artificial intelligence. Okay, the short form of artificial intelligence, it is AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, this programming language is being developed. Okay, once we created a program with the help of fifth generation programming language, there is no need of a programmer to solve that one, because it is a future one. Nowadays we are developing such programming languages. One example of fifth generation, it is robotics. Okay, robots, different. Whatever a human being can do, all the things the robot also can do, right? So, fifth generation programming language, it is an example, it is robots. Okay, some other examples of fifth generation, it is Mercury, Oppo S5 and also Prolog. Okay, I think now you understood what we discussed today. Different types of languages, computer languages we discussed today. First one, it is low level language. This low level language is categorized into two, machine language and also assembly language. Third one, it is high level language. It is also known as third generation language, then fourth generation language, and last one, it is fifth generation language, which is artificial intelligence. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.